people who have arthritis. Then you have your sulfasalazine as well, also used for people with arthritis. Your plasmaquine is actually a malaria medication, but it's used in the regimen for an arthritis patient. And then your additional painkillers like your celecoxib and your diclofenac, which I would use every now and again. So all this medication was trying to resolve the pain and the swelling that I was having in my joints, but to no avail. I wasn't getting anywhere. Temporarily it could take the sting away, but in a short space of time, I would find myself riddled once again with a lot of pain. So those were the medications that I took. But with Phytoscience, it was simple. I literally just put 2 sachets a day of crystal cell underneath my tongue. I drank the water, and I did at a later stage when it then included Snoffle 40, it was just the 1 sachet per day. Less complicated, less